Two of the biggest expenses which most people in their lifetimes will undertake will be the expense of buying a home and the expense of buying the vehicle, with even more people buying the vehicle than those buying the house. The costs of vehicles are not cheap, and many people have to save for many years in order to afford the down payment on a vehicle, so the protection of this asset should be of utmost importance. Vehicle is the best way to ensure that the amount of money you put into the acquisition of your vehicle is protected. In this article we will be looking into the definition of vehicle insurance, some of the reasons why it is important to get vehicle insurance. Definition: vehicle insurance is an insurance policy, which is a legally binding contract and is an agreement between two parties, namely, the insurer and insured. The insured agrees to pay an amount of money predetermined depending on how much coverage the insured wants to the insurer, being the insurance company. The insured pays this sum of money for the promise that should any damage or theft occur to the car, the insurance company will pay out the sum of money in damages. In quite a number of countries such as England, vehicle insurance is mandatory, and you would not be able to purchase or drive a car without one. In many cases people's cars get confiscated who do not have insurance. Having vehicle insurance is one of the important types of insurance to have based on the risk factors involved in being on the road every day. If you are a new vehicle owner, or if you are insuring a new vehicle, it is important to understand how much liability cover you need to get. This will ensure that you are neither over nor underinsured. You can get this information from the internet and by contacting insurance auto experts. Another important decision you would have to make is what type of vehicle insurance product to take. There are different types of insurance policies, which vary according to their coverage. This then obviously also affects the price of the policy. Vehicle insurance policies which cost the most are those which offer the most comprehensive cover. And because you pay a higher monthly premium, the company insures you for more money. There are also other types of cover which are less expensive, yet do not cover certain events. This type of cover could be tailored in such a way that you are only covered in the case of theft, and not theft and damage, so that even though you pay monthly premiums, you will be covered for what you did not pay. Always remember that the more comprehensive the cover, the higher the monthly premiums will be. Also be sure as to what you are insuring when you buy a certain vehicle insurance product, as many times people think that they have cover for something for which they have no cover. Get online quotes from many companies to get the best deals, and ask around about the factors such as the age and model of the car and your driving record, amongst other factors which will influence the vehicle insurance premiums.